welcome to my channel, Simply This Life. I am Candace, and I am currently on a journey to a more minimal and mindful lifestyle. I really want to simplify my life to give me more time, more energy, and more money. Let's be honest. Anyway, I wanted to show you what a cleaning routine looks like for me now that I have decluttered about 30% of my possessions. I am just beginning this journey, so I still have a long way to go, but the amount of time that I spend cleaning every day has been cut down significantly. So there's still a mess. We still live here. So there's obviously clutter and a mess, but it is so much less than it used to be. I'm hoping I can get this whole place clean in about 20 minutes, but we'll see. If you want to follow along on my journey to a more simple and minimal life, don't forget to hit subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started. My bedroom is one of the worst areas of the house. We have a makeup set that my 18-month-old was playing with. I've got a book that I was reading, just clothes on the floor. We had a little bit of a diaper disaster just a few minutes ago. We had a blowout. I had to change the comforter that is in the washer right now. So I've got to clean this up. I was also rushing out the door to get my son to school on time, so it just kind of exploded all at the last second. So let's go ahead and start here, just because this is the messiest place. I have been trying out this new bathroom cleaner by 7th Generation. I absolutely adore it. It smells very citrusy and bright, and it's a disinfectant. This one's nice because you can spray it and wipe it down right away, or if you're a little bit worried about germs, maybe you've had the flu or you've got a spot that's just really tough, I would leave it for like 10 minutes and just kind of let it sit there, which is what the back of the bottle says. So I recommend doing that if it's like something, like I said, that's really germy or really tough. But otherwise, you can just spray it on there and wipe it off right away, which is what I did because thankfully we haven't had the flu. I have been super low maintenance with wiping down the mirrors, and I've just been using water. It is so convenient, and it honestly does a really good job. You might be surprised if you haven't used water ever before or not in a while. I recommend it. It is so nice. It doesn't streak, and if you use a microfiber cloth like I am, it just picks everything up, and it's like free. Like, of course you pay for your water, but you know what I'm saying. You don't have to buy an extra product, and the convenience factor, like I said, is absolutely unbeatable. Before I started doing lifestyle on this channel, I was actually a makeup and beauty channel. So I still have quite a bit of makeup left over from that, but I have reduced it by about 80 to 90% over the past couple of years during my transition of my channel. I do have a video coming up for you all about my more minimal makeup routine, so be sure and stay tuned for that. I have really enjoyed cutting back on the makeup that I've been buying, keeping, and applying to my face, so hopefully you guys will enjoy that. Like I said, it's coming soon. Here is what I have going on downstairs. Not too bad. I was playing a little magnet game with Lila earlier, so I need to pick that up. I have her little car here. She had lunch here, made a little mess. And then again, a couple things that she's been doing just to occupy her little kitchen stuff. So mostly Lila's stuff. I am going to paint this little table once it's a little bit warmer and I feel like it'll be safer for the paint and it won't warp, but I was thinking a gray would be so cute to match my house. I let this little drawer be Lila's just so that she could come and get her little utensils whenever she wants to use them. So she has a little cup and a little bowl and a couple utensils, and then I will just store this under here. But she's getting more independent, so I feel like it's nice to have that little drawer for her where she can just get her own stuff.
Just a side of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're...
No matter how many things I end up decluttering from my home, I know for a fact that I am always going to have a home decor. This is something that means a lot to me personally, and the point of minimalism is not to get rid of everything. It is only to keep the things that add value to your life, and for me, home decor means so much. It helps me create an environment that is inspiring and helps me feel cozy in my space, and it's just the environment that I want to create for myself and my family. Recently, I've just been keeping this lemon essential oil in my kitchen. I like to drop it down the sink, but I also like to put it on my dish rag before I wipe everything down. It smells so good. So if you don't have a surface spray or if you don't want to use one, this is such a good option. I just love the way it makes my kitchen smell, and I like changing it out for different times of the year. But after Christmas, I really was just feeling something kind of fresh and light. So this has been really nice, and I just keep it by my sink.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Instead Instead of dishwasher pods, which can be really expensive, I have been using baking soda with a few drops of dish soap and vinegar to run my dishwasher, and my dishes have come out sparkling clean every time. I've been doing this for a few weeks, and so far I'm absolutely loving it. This whole house, tidy or clean, really only took me about 20 minutes, which I think is amazing. My goal is to get it down to about 15. Of course, I didn't do it deep cleaning, I didn't do the toilets, but for an overall tidy, I feel really good. For the boys' bedroom, I just left their beds unmade and these couple of things out because I want them to clean this up when they get home from school. And then for Lila's bedroom, she does have this new tent, which she has some stuffies in there. And then I always keep out her diaper changing things, but otherwise, every room in the house was clean. Here are a couple more videos for you to check out if you're interested in seeing more on my minimalist journey. Again, don't forget to subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.